Hello, welcome to this presentation. My name is Respect. I'm a MicroMaster student studying through the edX platform. On this presentation, we're going to be talking about HR training and development for Hotel Icon. Assuming that I'm the HR manager at the Icon Hotel, we'll be doing a training and development for the intern students. We'll start by analyzing how the students will be, and then we'll design and develop the training procedures, and then we'll actually try to implement what we have designed, and then we'll end up by evaluating evaluating their performance. So this training program might actually take us through a couple of weeks or even months. But with the first week, we'll start by what we call a welcoming section, where we'll be introducing the interns to the hotel icon cultures, values and missions. We'll also get to give them a tour around the hotel, where they will get to know the departments and the key operations. Also, we'll go through with them our HR policies and train them to understand how our work policy ethics are, safety policies, protocols, and our guest standards at the hotel. So in the second week, the students will get to rotate through the most departments at the hotel, which could be housekeeping, could be the food and beverage department, or the reception. So where they get to familiarize themselves with what happens through each and every department. So as for the front of office and guest relations, our student interns will get to learn how to check in and check out the guests. They will learn all the procedures. They also learn how to handle guest complaints, special guest requests, also how to communicate with the guest in a formal and decent way. They will also learn how to use the property management systems that we use at the hotel. This will help them to have a practical knowledge and know how to apply the knowledge. With the food and beverage department, our student interns will learn how to prepare the meals, how to save the meals, how to plate the meals. Obviously, with the help of the executive chefs and the chefs that we have in the kitchen that are already qualified. We'll also how to learn fine dining and room service. Also at the bar, they also learn how to do beverage and cocktail preparations. So there's always a senior that is accompanying the students, so they will learn um, in an easy way. Again, on the food and beverage side, it is very important for the students to learn how to set the table, how to do a good food presentation. Um, they will learn this as they go, as they continue, as they learn from the leaders that they will be having. So with the students, they are usually assigned with a senior waiter or a senior chef, so they can learn. As we all know that with the food and beverage department, there's quite a lot of things to learn. So our student interns will learn how to do banqueting, how to set up for cocktail parties, events like special events, for example, weddings, birthday parties. So as they go through the process of events and banqueting, they will learn how to set up for these events, which are special events. Mm, and with the help of seniors also, they get trained and have a practical knowledge. So at the housekeeping and operations departments, our students also have to learn how to do proper bed making, room setup, maintaining of the high standards that we do have at the hotel. Also, they should learn how to do laundry and inventory management. Hygiene also is our key point, so they also have to learn good hygiene and very good sustainable practices. where we try and save water and make sure the hotel is always clean. So with the housekeeping as well, there is also a few fine details that the students have to learn. When you look at this picture, you can see fine mirrors, everything the way it's placed. So our students also have to learn all these fine details so that we can actually maintain and keep the standards for our guests to be happy. As the students rotate through all those departments, they also need to learn leadership and soft skills development. They also need to learn sales and marketing so they can be equipped from both departments. So with our sales and marketing, the students will have to learn how to do revenue management and pricing strategies. They also need to learn how to do marketing on social media, also recruitment and training policies. So they are assigned to senior managers who can train them and teach them all these skills. Also leadership and soft skills development, our students will learn that. Usually we do this through a mentorship program where intern is given a mentor guidance so they can learn. Then we also do a leadership workshop where we cover soft skills like communication, teamwork, and also problem solving. Crisis management also is part of the training where they are, they learn how to to handle guest complaints and also do service recovery. Um, this will help them equip and face the future in the hospitality industry. After the students are done with all the departmental training, the hotel will do what we call a 360-degree evaluation, where we sit down as HR department, as other peers and supervisors to evaluate and give results for the students. This will allow them to graduate. With this kind of training offered to the students, as an HR manager of the hotel, I will be proud to say that the students will be empowered to face the future and be the future leaders of the hospitality industry, and very sure that they would have gained valuable and real world experience. Thank you.